Galaxy Group of Science. So welcome dear students to Computer Studies English Medium Standard 11th Chapter number 1 Introduction to Multimedia. This is the third part in this chapter. We are going to discuss the multimedia elements. Audio. Now, as we all know, sound is the most important element in the multimedia. Proceed by vibration as perceived by the sense of hearing. In multimedia, audio could come in the form of speech, sound effect, and also music score. Multimedia elements in sound is the most important element in multimedia. Just try to imagine watching a horror movie or a dance performance without sound. Now, or if you are making a dance performance and that also the mobile phone is mute, then we will if you feel funny. What step they are doing. So in two example can get to be idea. Sound is very important and another example also give you. Suppose if you are watching a movie in your mobile phone, in your computer, and if you are watching some movies, in the theater, it creates such a lot of impact movie. When you are watching in the theater, so sound is a very important role. We can define sound as a meaningful speech in any language. The term sound is used in the analog form. Digitalized form of sound is called audio. What is audio? Definition of audio. The digitalized form of sound is called audio. Text and images without any sound are helpful only if the presenter is present. In his absence, pre-recorded sound plays an important role. While viewing an educational CD, sound is very helpful. We can define sound a meaningful speech in any language. To make the user can enable or disable the sound options, but the learning process is more enjoyable when it played with sound. To make such a kind of multimedia presentation, we need to first record the voice and play it according to the animation in the presentation. Thus, when a user sees the presentation, he is able to understand. It easy be seeing the animation analog with the voice. Nowadays, computers support multimedia applications. They come analog with required hardware and software needed for multimedia applications. We get inbuilt sound card, speakers, microphone and web camera which are required for multimedia applications. The operating system provides applications that can be directly used for capturing audio and video. Recording a sound clip and inserting it in the presentation. Recording a sound clip and inserting it in the presentation. So here last video learned to how to insert the element text using WordArt in Microsoft Word. Now In this video, we are learning about the next multimedia element, that is audio. Nowadays, computers come with full multimedia support. For example, if we want to prepare an educational CD or software, we need to record voice and insert that audio clip into it. For the purpose, first we need to record a sound clip. Generally we do it with our smartphone. But if we want to do it with our computer, then that is also possible. First we need to attach a mic and then the user the inbuilt audio recording application program. In the textbook, it is explained how to record a sound in Ubuntu Linux. Ubuntu Linux is the name of the operating system. There is our textbook. 9th, 10th and 11th, 12th, all 4 standard textbooks are made using the operating system named Ubuntu. So now we will learn how to insert a sound clip in that operating system. As you start the Ubuntu operating system, that is the looks. This is the way how it will look, or we can also say the desktop of Ubuntu Linux operating system. Now Windows 7 or Windows XP, on the left hand side bottom we have got a start menu. Here on the bottom there is nothing, but start menu is divided into 3 parts and it is located on the top. You can see in the image, and large copy of the image is also put over there. It is divided into 3 parts, that is applications, places and system. Application menu, application means all apps in Windows. We call it all programs. Application means all apps in Windows. We call it all programs. Basic in the terminology in Windows, call it my computer or only computer. Basic in the terminology in Windows, call it my computer or only computer. From where exists our data, that is different partitions. Local disk, suppose A drive, B drive, C drive, D drive, E drive. Okay, and system means control panel, and system means control panel. Now insert a small sound clip, or to record a sound clip we have to click on the application menu. Now from the application menu we have to select sub menu, sound and video. We have to select sub menu, sound and video, and select sub options sound recorder. These open sound recorder applications as shown in figure 1.8. Now we have to select file menu, and since we want to record a new, and so click on new options from the file menu. Now in this dialog box we can see record as voice, lossy, .spx type, given there. So in that record, as there is a drop down list, there is a drop down list from which you can select any of the options from the three options are available. From the three options are available. That is CD. CD quality losses .apple AC type. Second one CD quality lossy. Third one is voice. Now if you are going to record a simple voice, after choosing voice in the record as option now start a recording, you can choose a control menu. Don't do things that is a long process. Instead of these, simply we can click on the record button. That is a red color circle button. Same thing which record in our mobile phones. Now start recording the voice. For example, describe tourist place of Gujarat tourism. In our multimedia presentation, as a Gujarat tourism, one point is recording the process. After you have speaking about every you want to a record to stop the recording. You have to click on control menu and stop option. Again this is long process. Then simply click on the red color square, that is stop button. Then simply click on the red color square, that is stop button. Now start recording the voice. For example, describing tourism place, Gujarat tourism. In our multimedia presentation, our Gujarat tourism, one point is recording the process. After you have finished speaking about every you want to record, to stop the recording, you have to click on control menu and stop option. Again this is long process. Then simple click on the red color square, that is stop button. Then the playback to the recording, control play and simply click on the triangular shape play button. Then the playback to the recording, control play and simply click on the triangular shape play button. To run the audio mixer, choose a file. Choose a file menu and open a volume control. And last thing, it will be save the file recording. Choose a file menu, then save as options and type the name of the sound file. We can also make changes to the sound file, like delete a part of it, change the playback speed, change the playback volume and add echo, etc. Multimedia element like sound or videos are stored in media files. To discover the type of media file, we should look at the file extension. To discover the type of media file, we should look at the file extension. The commonly used audio format are described in table 1.1. We will have look at the table. We will have look at the table. First column contain file extension. Sound one type of file. Second one type of file. First column contain file extension. Okay. Second one type of file. And third one is description. First type of file extension is .mid.midi. It is MIDI file type. The full form of MIDI is Musical Instrument Digital Interface. This file contains musical data. Second file extension is .rm or .ram. This file type is real audio file. .rm real audio metadata is combination of audio and video. Third one is .wav file extension. File type is WAV file, waveform audio file. Fourth one is .wma extension, file extension. Type of file is Windows Media audio file. Audio file compressed with Windows Media compression. Last one is .mp3 or mpga, means mp3 audio file type, compressed audio format. .wav is the most popular uncompressed sound format on the internet and it is supported by all popular browsers. The .mp3 is the new compressed format for record music. So if you want to use the record music, .mp3 is the best choice. Thank you.